Welcome to this tutorial on using AI tools with Python. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful frameworks out there. Transformers. You might have heard of it before. But if you haven't, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be familiar with what makes it so special. So, what is Transformers? Simply put, it's a model definition framework for building state-of-the-art machine learning models in text, vision, audio, and even multimodal models. And the best part? You can use it not just for inference, but also for training your own custom models. Before we dive into the world of AI and transformers, let's make sure you have the necessary tools to get started. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need to have Python installed on your computer, specifically version 3.10 or higher. You'll also want to ensure that you have PyTorch installed, with a minimum version of 2.4. If you're new to AI and transformers, don't worry if these terms sound unfamiliar. We'll be covering the basics as we go along. Before we dive into the world of AI with Python, we need to make sure our development environment is set up correctly. To do that, let's create and activate a virtual environment. This will help us isolate our project dependencies and avoid any potential conflicts with other projects or system packages. To create a new virtual environment, open your terminal or command prompt and run the command python mvenv replace myenv with whatever name you want to give your virtual environment. Once that's done, activate it by running myenv scripts activate on Windows or myenv bin activate on Mac OS, Linux. Now our virtual environment is set up and ready for us to start installing the necessary packages. For AI development, now that we have our Python environment set up and our dependencies installed, it's time to get started with installing the Transformers library. This is a crucial step, as it will allow us to tap into the power of pre-trained language models like BERT and RoBERTa. To install Transformers, we'll use pip, which is Python's package installer. We can do this by running the following command in our terminal. !pip install transformers !. So, let's dive into how Transformers works. Essentially, it's a framework that allows you to define state-of-the-art machine learning models for various tasks like text processing, computer vision, audio analysis, video understanding, and even multimodal applications. And what's really cool is that this framework isn't just limited to inference, it also supports training these models from scratch. Now, one of the key things about Transformers is that it centralizes the model definition process, which means that everyone in the ecosystem agrees on how these models are defined. This consistency is crucial for building robust and reliable AI systems. And that's it. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the world of transformers and how they can be used in AI applications. As we wrap up this tutorial, let me summarize what we've learned. We saw how transformers are based on self-attention mechanisms, allowing them to model complex relationships between input elements. We also discussed the different types of transformer models, including BERT, RoBERTa, and DistilBERT, each with its own strengths and use cases. By leveraging these powerful tools, developers can build AI systems that better understand natural language and make more accurate